Aigi min thambi more 1 number 7 Ningo na jung nungai tabadi pawe adu agarju irangi matung ina ibung ipa mayam ju kai plug laina na tabina ama chokai laina gare ko alaina bidi da nungai taba kata di pawe pai more da laira magadi ibung gai na ipa gai na sa ko bini haina khalle du sidala abanina nungai tabadi ketang di pawe ba.
Today, District Administration Thoubal is organizing one-day sales event to sell the products prepared by the inmates of the relief camps in Thoubal district. As we all know, because of the current situation in Manipur, many people have been displaced from their home and they are staying in the relief camp. As of now, in Thoubal, we have 3 relief camps and total inmates count is 1,270. To make sure that these inmates become self-sufficient and their financial position improve, district administration in collaboration with Krishi Vigyan Kendra as well as some other NGOs like OZES, we have organized skill development program at the earliest. And after that, they have started producing lots of things. Besides that, Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission is also organizing some training program for the Kauna products. Today, we are organizing these sales events so that we can sell the products prepared by the inmates, and this will certainly help them in improving their financial condition. One thing I would like to reiterate once again is that district administration and the state government is behind the inmates of the relief camp. So they should not feel that nobody is looking after them. We are there for them, and we assure you that all the products which you have produced, district administration will take the responsibility to make it available to the people in the market.